The DX series from Bayliner shakes up traditional deck boat design with modern styling and customizable floor plan options. The first models available in the series are the DX2000 outboard and DX2050 stern drive models. They offer an overall length of 19 feet 6 inches with an 8 foot 1 inch beam. DX series models come as a complete boat and motor package. Standard power is either Mercury Marine's 115 horsepower 4-stroke outboard or 200 horsepower stern drive. The DX series delivers the roomy interior deck boats are known for, thanks to Bayliner's beam-forward design that carries the full beam well into the bow, creating an incredibly spacious boat. This allows the DX2000 to offer a capacity of 10 people and the DX2050 a capacity of 9. To take advantage of the ample interior space, DX models offer 3 different floor plan options, so boaters can select the configuration that works best for them. Choose from a maximum seating layout with a wraparound cockpit seating and storage, an entertainment layout that offers a wet bar area, or a dual console layout that incorporates a full windshield for additional protection from the elements. Let's take a closer look at the DX2000. All 3 interior layouts offer substantial seating with rich upholstery and high-density foam to provide living room-like comfort from bow to stern. A comfortable U-shaped lounge in the bow provides dry storage under every seat. This model is designed to give families and large groups easy access to the water. In addition to the swim platform ladder in the stern, an anchor locker with a telescoping swim ladder makes for easy water access from the bow. The bow features LED navigation lights and 2 stainless steel mooring cleats, with additional cleats located at midship and the transom. The boat is finished with standard non-skid flooring or this optional teak mat flooring. As we move into the cockpit, you'll find a very large ski locker for stowing all your water sports gear. This model features the entertainment layout with a wet bar area with a sink and freshwater system, plus storage below for groceries and other supplies. The cockpit also features plush wraparound seating with additional dry storage located underneath, perfect for PFDs, day bags, water toys, and inflatables. At the companion seat position, a standard removable cushion creates an additional interior-facing seat with open storage below. When the cushion is removed and the backrest is placed into position, this seat transforms into a forward-facing companion seat. A bolstered helm seat with slide and swivel and an ergonomic footrest keeps the captain comfortable as well. The helm offers standard tilt steering and a side-mounted shifter, plus easy-to-operate multifunction gauges, an optional depth finder, and a streamlined dash visor. A head unit with 2 cockpit speakers, plus handy storage on the side of the helm station with both USB 12-volt and auxiliary inputs keeps passengers' phones and music within reach. The rear bench seat features a standard live well on the DX2000 and a 75-quart integrated cooler on the DX2050. Aft, a generous sun pad with an adjustable 2-position backrest creates a transitional lounger. The entire lounging surface also raises to reveal spacious storage below. A walkthrough to the transom provides easy access to the stern and includes in-floor storage for a cooler. The Sun Lounge features non-slip phone storage trays with both USB and 12-volt inputs for added convenience. A full-beam integrated swim platform with optional extension and standard swim ladder makes entering and exiting the water easy. An optional bimini top can also be added to provide shade on warm, sunny days. The DX series upgrades the traditional deck boat exterior profile with sleek hull-side sculpting and a custom shear line to match the line of the boat. These modern style lines give the DX models a level of stylish appeal, similar to Bayliner's broad bow runabouts. For value-conscious boaters who want the sporty performance of a bow rider and the wide-open versatility of a deck boat, the DX2000 and DX2050 deliver the best of both. The whole package is covered by our best-in-class transferable warranty, which includes a limited lifetime structural hull warranty, a limited 10-year structural hull warranty to the second owner, a 5-year deck warranty, and a 1-year parts and components warranty. That means you can enjoy peace of mind while you own your DX series model and better resale value in the future. Visit Bayliner.com to locate a dealer near you for pricing, specifications, and availability.